Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to boost a listing on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account option. You can choose the type of account you wanted. It could be personal, it could be business, or you can simplify the process by clicking on continue with Google or continue with Facebook, also with Apple. Just provide your full legal name, email and password, and by clicking the create an account button, you're all set. Now, I'd like to make a very quick disclaimer that there are multiple ways for you to promote your listings here on eBay, because giving them a greater exposure to the items you are selling, you can get your listings in front of more buyers, and you're only charged for the ad if it helps your item sell. Now, the first way that we can do to promote your listing is go to the My eBay here and go to the selling and active items that you are selling. Because if you have the Sellers Hub, that's a different platform, but here for now, we're using the My eBay interface. Now click on selling. Now from here, if you have say an active listings that is populated in this section, promoted listing standard is available again to sellers with above standard or top rated seller level and enough account activity. And you can use that again in the My eBay active or on the seller active sellings. That's one way for you to do it. And the second option is you might want to take advantage of the promoted listing standard, and you can become eligible for promoted listings. And again, to gain access for promoted listings, you must be an above standard or top rated seller with recent sales activity. And this is how to get access to promoted listings. All you're going to do is to improve your standing. To reach a seller level of above standard or top rated, you must consistently meet the performance criteria, including the buyer satisfaction, shipment times, and payment standards. You need to maintain sales activity right here. That's two ways. You can also go here at the promoted listing standards. You can boost visibility and be seen by millions of buyers on the eBay network, right? And if you want to try the promoted listing standard, all you're going to do is click on this button right here. And these are the key benefits. It's very simple to set up. You can connect your items to the right buyers and drive more sales and only pay for sales, all right? And of course, you can monitor campaigns with ease using eBay's reporting tools, right? Now, if you click on the try it now button, you would be directed here in the page that we accessed earlier. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.